drive was absolutely beautiful, but as we were about to find out, the food was even better.
What you getting, Mikey?
Got the ahi tuna here. Making just really a bite of a tostada. Perfect. All day, every day.
La cevicheria, Ensenada.
That's right, let's go.
After brunch, we decided to do a little shopping and check out Arafat's gym before heading to the world-famous Bufadora, which translates to blowhole in English.
The oldest cantina in town since 1892. Okay, someone tell this guy that in Mexico you can't sue nobody, so no waiver, nothing.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. We're not doing that.
Attempt one and done. Baby maker. Okay. Okay. I got 5. They work.
After leaving La Bufadora, there was time for one more meal before heading back to our Airbnb in Tijuana for the night, and it did not disappoint.
Ensenada, what's up? Hi everyone, Mike Gross here. Thank you so much for watching another episode of A Day in the Mic. And that one actually was one single day in the mic. If you enjoyed this video, I would super appreciate it if you would hit the like button, give it that thumbs up down at the bottom there. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate your support on this channel. I've already recorded the next 1 to 2 vlogs, and it's gonna be fun. Just need to get those edited and we'll get those out as soon as possible. Thank you so much for following along, and seriously, I would love some feedback. If you have any ideas at all for the channel, please let me know in the comments down below. Let's talk, let's chat, let's make it happen. Big things coming in the future. The next vlog will be in Newport Beach, and let me tell you, it was a ton of fun. Also got to give a big shout out to Arafat and the Blaxicans team. It was super nice to check out your gym. Thank you for having us. And to Tony Padilla for recording all the footage on the way to Ensenada. Thanks. Thank you so much. On to the next adventure. Bye.